You think of my hair?
I hate it.
What do you think now?
Whoa, now. I love it.
Taking Hazel to the hairdresser to get her hair braided.
Wow.
Hazy. You're gonna get some nice little butt beads and things at the bottom.
And pink.
Yeah. And what?
And a pink watch.
A pink brush.
Pink brush.
Okay then.
There was no room at the inn. You getting your hair done?
See, where are we?
At the hairdresser.
Yeah, the salon, isn't it? What are we doing? We're waiting for Hazel, aren't we? And a fruiter.
Yeah.
After you're done. I wish you got the money in.
I know, because if you move it, come off. I think so. I think she likes it on.
Oh, alright, let me slow down. So my name is Jude. I work for the company called Mousse Brewery. We manufacture two botanic shops. We distribute to health stores and pharmacies island-wide. Right? So we have 4 flavors of these tonic shots. We have turmeric and ginger, lime and honey, orange, strawberry, sorrel and ginger. Now the base of all of these 4 is a probiotic wine. And sinus.
Yeah, you're right.
Gives a stronger result.
You don't need them in your hair because the lady's going to do your hair.
When we're working with the company, we can offer the deal when you get basically 3 for the price of 2. So that's how we are on it.
Say that again?
It's a lightly fermented fruit wine using nutritional yeast.
Okay,
No,
that's a
it-
deal.
the
Deal?
alcoholic content is just
Good
enough.
job. Ah, the lollipop. Yeah, so when you're finished... Hi T, you okay? Oh, you're all eyeing up the sweeties.
They have some stuff on.
What's that?
They have some stuff on.
Look, T, Hazel's getting her hair done. You had yours done last week, didn't you? Yeah. Yeah, that's right.
That means even more than you want to.
In the barber, so boys go to the barber.
You do all of it. You want to try this?
Then girls, you're like a girl, and then you've gone to the hairdressers, haven't you? Mm-hmm.
When I finish the yellow one.
What's that?
My hair's done.
Yeah. What's happening to? What'd you say, Thee?
Hair bubbles in it.
Yeah, Hazel's gonna get some braids and beads. That's right. Yeah. You're doing very well. You're a good girl.
Why are you filming me? Something on my face.
No, you're gonna get some beads, Hazel. Beads. You're sitting so good, darling. Well done. It's nice when Carol does your hair. I have to say, Hazy, it's looking good. Well done, Hayes.
Did she? You were like, what? Are you gonna get some pink bits in your hair?
Pink beads.
Pink beads. Amazing. Here you go.
Hello. You alright? It's not done. Hayes is doing wonderfully well. She's doing good. Yeah, at the end. At the end.
I had that cold water. Which one are you? My liver. Okay.
Tea.
You enjoying your hair getting done?
So I went for a little tryst outside just for 2 minutes. At this point, I think we'd been in there for about an hour and something minutes already. And I thought, you know what, let me get outside, get a bit of sunshine, and have a look at the front of the building, maybe even film the sign, because we forgot to do that when we came in. Here we are, downtown Mandeville, beautiful place. And here it is, Sandy's Beauty Salon. Shout out, big up.
Very quick. We're going quicker than I did.
Your hat looks well good, Mummy.
Thank you.
Are you gonna get your hair done? Huh?
Why do you think it's going to be pineapple?
Yellow.
Good answer. What other flavour could that yellow lollipop be, that yellow one?
I have no idea.
Okay. Okay. What fruits are yellow? You don't know. Think of a fruit that might be yellow. Oh, okay. Yep. You said pineapple though. Anything else that might be yellow? Something sour? Okay.
Like that.
I was thinking like a lemon maybe. A lemon sour. Uh-oh. It's not ripe yet. Okay.
It's not yellow.
What,
It's green in Jamaica.
that's a lime.
The one.
Lime is green.
That small one is shading. That small baby one next to my leg is shading yellow and green.
Where do I still got this hat on my head. Say hello. Hello. Sit still, Hazel.
Michaela, Mara.
Good job, Hazel. It's alright, good job, good job. Really, really, really nice.
Ready again, Hazel?
Say, okay, Carol.
Ready again? Come back, put your back back.
That's it. Move your bottom back.
Alright, put your head back now. Right.
And you can relax now. Oh, it's warm out here, isn't it? Wow. Soon, darling. Almost. Hazel's looking good. It's almost done. What do you think? Doesn't it look nice? Oh, it's very happy. Can you be careful because the lady's foot's there and the chair's dirty? The pig. Hey, Try sit still for Carol. Yeah. Do you want to turn your chair around? Look at that. What do you think? Yeah, what do you say to Carol?
You're welcome.
Pass me the phone. There you go. So what do you say to Carol? What do you say to Carol? Well done. We're going to walk now, darling. Alright. Thank you so much. You look like you've had loads. What's going on with your t-shirt? And your lips? Yeah. You look good. Right, say thank you again, Hayes. Say thank you. Well done, thank you again. Thank you so much. It looks lovely. She's going to be shaking it and everything. Hazy.
Wow, your hair.
Hazel.
Alright, coming in, guys.
Oh, she did so well.
Are you pleased?
Yeah, she did really
Whoa,
well.
your hair looks so good, man.
Look at that.
Alright.
Give them a twirl, Hazel.
Hi, Theo. Go on.
Whoa. Very.
What do you think? Good of Hazel's new hair. Okay.
Good.
Mummy,
Yes.
what do you think of Hazel's new haircut?
I love it. I love it.
What do you think of your new hair?
Now we'll do your hair soon.
Oh man, let me see this thing. Let me click.
Mine.
Wow.
Gee,
Look
whoa.
at that.
Oh man, I'm running my fingers through these dangly beads.
Yeah.
Wow!
You think of my hair?
I hate it. It's rubbish. Smelly.
What do you think now?
Whoa, now? Oh my, now I love it. Woo! Oh, steady. Yeah, wow. Whoa, whoa, that's a nice hair, man. Whoa, my lord. Sneum. Whoa! Whoa!
Someone's feeling good, aren't they?
Whoa, look good, feel good.